Here we are. Here, wave, you'll be in my video. Bushcacheidy says, let's go backwards. They're going on the small course, see? And they're going that way. And we're going to go backward. There's 23 caches on this 7-mile loop. And we have DNF'd the first one already. We started backwards because Bushcacheidy wanted to go backwards. So let's go to number 22. Yay! Not the first one. Bushcacheidy got a first to find. Whoop whoop! I'm a co-first to finder. Doo doo! Yay! While we're rushing off to number 21, I'm going to show you what I got for my first to find prize. Ready? Woo! Ta-da! I like it. We had to bushwhack. What? This is the first to find. I won it! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. This is the first to find for me! Yay! Yay! 82 feet from the cache, and we just saw a most amazing hawk. And it was so camouflaged. That was great. Whew. I thought it was a whippoorwill. It was awesome. We're back on the trail again. After bushwhacking, number 21 through 18. We're on our way to 17. So it's beautiful here. Beautiful. I'm all alone. I have lost my caching partner. Bushcacheidy! Oh. Just worried about you. Not really. Just kidding. He's back there deciphering. He can't walk and think at the same time. I can't walk and film either. We've passed many bike riders, runners. We haven't seen one geocacher yet. We thought we heard them, but we didn't see any of them yet. I am definitely missing out on some great camera footage. Oh, a great blue heron flew to the right, and I'm not sure what that was. That was either a large osprey or an eagle. He said there were eagles out here. Wow, that was awesome. Where are you? I'm looking. I think he flew over on the other side somewhere. Oh, beautiful. The clue is, don't let the sun, what is it? Don't let the sun blind you. And whew, did I get blinded. Bushcacheidy made his second first to find today. Whoop, whoop, whoop. What's going to be your signature? Heck yeah! What do you normally say? Ooh. Ooh, that's it. Ooh. There's like not a soul out here. Except for us. Over 2 hours and I see you! It's only been 3 hours of caching. Checking to see if we could play some more. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Well, we just checked in. I look pretty ragged. Woo! What about you, Bushcacheidy? Oh my goodness. Anyway, we have 9 caches left and 26 minutes to get back. Let's see how many we can do. Maybe 1, 2. Alright, here we go. Well, it's past the time. Whew, it's 11:45, and we got a tenth of a mile to cache number 3. We're on our way back. What a welcome sight to see. Woohoo! I don't care if I find that last one. Bushcacheidy is off finding it, and I'm going for air conditioning. Oh my gosh. That was awesome. I want to go skeet shooting tomorrow. I would love to. I am officially done. Awesome!